Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best smartwatch is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable gadgets in our modern lives, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with everyday practicality to keep us connected, informed, and on track with our health and fitness goals, all from the convenience of our wrist. Number 5. Image Skincare Vital C Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Discover a cleanser that gently removes impurities without stripping your skin. It's formulated to leave your complexion feeling refreshed and revitalized. This formula is enriched with a powerful blend of vitamins C, E, and A. These ingredients work together to nourish and support healthy-looking skin. Experience a hydrating cleanse that replenishes moisture. It helps to maintain your skin's natural balance, leaving it soft and supple. Incorporate this gentle face wash into your daily routine. It's suitable for all skin types looking for a thorough yet mild cleanse. Unveil a brighter, more radiant complexion with every wash. It effectively cleanses while promoting a healthy glow. This cleanser not only cleanses but also helps to nourish your skin. It provides essential nutrients to keep it looking its best. What we like. This cleanser offers a gentle yet effective way to remove impurities without stripping your skin. Enriched with essential vitamins, it nourishes while it cleanses. If you're looking for a daily wash that leaves your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The formulas are lightweight yet powerful, designed to improve skin texture, tone, and overall clarity without causing irritation. Many of the products deliver noticeable results in a short period of time, especially for concerns like dullness, fine lines, and uneven skin tone. The products absorb quickly, work well together, and leave the skin feeling refreshed and nourished rather than heavy or greasy. Number 4. Image Skincare 5-Star Favorites 4-Step Regimen Set. Discover the secret to a radiant complexion. This introductory set is designed to reveal your skin's natural brilliance and promote a healthier look. Experience a simplified yet effective skincare ritual. Our 4-step regimen provides everything you need for a comprehensive daily routine. Take your favorite skincare on the go. This travel-size set ensures you can maintain your glowing skin wherever your adventures take you. We've selected our top-rated products to create this special introductory set. Achieve visibly brighter and healthier-looking skin with ease. Trust in a brand dedicated to your skin's well-being. This regimen is your first step towards achieving the luminous, healthy skin you deserve. What we like. This set provides a comprehensive 4-step skincare regimen designed to enhance your skin's natural radiance. Its travel-size components make it ideal for maintaining your routine on the go. If you're new to skincare or need a convenient set for travel, this introductory kit is an excellent starting point for healthier-looking skin. What people say. With just a few days of using the bundle, my face feels clean, smells incredible, and feels like a pick-me-up has been done. It is thick so you only need a little, but it is the best face regimen I have ever used. These skin treatments make my skin feel so soft, and the sunscreen also protects my face from the harmful sun rays. Number 3. Image Skincare Vital C Hydrating Face Serum. Discover the secret to a brighter, more youthful complexion. This powerful serum is designed to illuminate your skin, revealing a natural glow. Experience deep hydration that revitalizes your skin. Its advanced formula works to quench dryness while enhancing your skin's natural luminosity. Gently smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Achieve a visibly refined texture for a more toned and supple look. Infused with potent vitamin C, this serum helps to combat dullness and uneven skin tone. It actively works to restore a vibrant and healthy-looking complexion. Hyaluronic acid works to attract and retain moisture, plumping your skin from within. Enjoy a feeling of lasting comfort and a smoother appearance. Incorporate this essential serum into your daily routine for optimal results. It's the perfect addition to achieve visibly brighter, smoother, and more hydrated skin. What we like. This potent serum is formulated to visibly brighten your complexion and smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. With the power of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, it delivers intense hydration. If you desire a more luminous, even-toned complexion and want to target signs of aging, this serum is a must-have. What people say. First, the serum is a fabulous product, creamy and not sticky like some, and I do think my skin looks better, although hard to pinpoint the cause. Best of all, it smells so good, like fresh oranges, but without being too strong. It really does brighten up your and hydrates that I use it every morning and I've gotten compliments that my face is glowing. The scent is light, fresh, and not overpowering, just enough to feel like a little spa moment each time I use it. What really sold me, though, was how hydrated and smooth my skin felt afterward. It absorbed beautifully without feeling greasy or sticky. I've been using it daily since and my skin looks brighter, feels softer, and has a healthy glow. Number 2. Image Skincare Vital C Hydrating Repair Crème. Wake up to visibly renewed skin. This rich cream works through the night to deeply moisturize and repair. Experience a smoother, plumper complexion by morning. Quench your skin's thirst with this powerful hydrating formula. It delivers essential moisture to combat dryness and leave your skin feeling soft and supple. Say goodbye to tight, uncomfortable skin. Let your skin recover while you sleep. This night cream is designed to rejuvenate and restore your skin's natural barrier. You'll notice a healthier, more radiant appearance. Specifically created for those with dry skin concerns. It provides the nourishment needed to alleviate flakiness and improve overall skin texture. Enjoy lasting comfort and hydration. Infused with the power of hyaluronic acid, it draws moisture into the skin. This key ingredient plumps and smooths fine lines for a more youthful look. Reveal a revitalized complexion. Enjoy the full benefits of this luxurious night cream. This generous size ensures you have plenty to deeply nourish your skin every night. It's the perfect addition to your evening routine. What we like. This night cream is specifically designed to provide deep hydration and repair for dry, compromised skin. It works overnight to replenish moisture and soothe discomfort. If you suffer from dry skin or are looking for a rich, nourishing moisturizer to use before bed, this repair crème will be your best ally. What people say. The Prevention Plus, SPF 50, Daily Ultimate Protection Moisturizer is hands down the greatest skincare product I have ever encountered. It made my skin feel fresh and clean, and somehow it even made my skin significantly clearer when I used it consistently. All of my fine lines that were bugging me are gone. My skin just looks much healthier and younger. It is smooth and soft, and I feel like the color of my complexion is better. It hydrates well and keeps my skin very soft. It has a clean, citrusy smell too. Number 1. Image Skincare Vital C Hydrating Water Burst. Quench your skin's thirst with this revolutionary hydrating gel. It delivers a burst of deep moisture, leaving your complexion feeling refreshed and revitalized. Infused with powerful peptides, this formula works to boost your skin's natural renewal process. Reveal a smoother, more youthful appearance with every application. Feel the instant cooling sensation as this unique water gel texture transforms upon contact. It's designed to refresh and invigorate tired skin, providing immediate comfort. This potent treatment penetrates deeply to provide lasting hydration. You'll notice a visible improvement in skin's plumpness and overall radiance. Incorporate this essential step into your daily routine for consistently healthy-looking skin. It's the perfect way to boost your complexion's vitality and resilience. Enjoy the benefits of intense hydration without any heavy or greasy feeling. This lightweight formula absorbs quickly, making it ideal for all skin types. What we like. Experience a burst of refreshing hydration with this unique gel boost formula. It delivers deep moisture without feeling heavy on the skin, thanks to its peptide-infused composition. If you prefer a lightweight yet deeply hydrating product that instantly refreshes and plumps your skin, this water burst is the ideal solution. What people say. It is amazing to keep you hydrated in AZ heat but at the same time is not sticky, so I loved it in Florida weather too. Being light but moisturizing and doing everything a vitamin C cream should do for the face and neck. Amazingly no breakouts at all. I won't say it is an oil control moisturizer, but for sure there is no grease on my face after application. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.